Hello friends, in this video we will disassemble the leaking steering rack and install a new one in its place. First of all, we remove the answer and twist the steering rods and twist the steering wheel bolts and twist the steering column hoses, and from below there is steering rack mounting bolts. We untwist them and remove the rail. Here is what we got. Friends, but before starting the video, subscribe to the channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel. Friends, I have already removed the rail. Now I will install a new one. Now guys, I installed the steering rack. As I disassemble, it's in reverse order. As you can see, there is nothing complicated. I just have to do toy chamber. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.